Okay, we're in the shop today with the master of disaster, Emmett, and the crafting queen, Cambry. They were at home playing Jenga, and they want to build a life-size Jenga set. So we're going to use some 2x4's. We're going to build the Jenga set. Okay, so we've got all our 2x4's cut. We're going to end up having them 9 inches long, and I've got these at just about 28.5, which means we can get 3 of them, and we've got a little bit left over in case we screw up a little bit. So we're gonna join them all on 2 sides, then we'll plane them all on 2 sides, so they're all perfect and uniform. So when you go to play Jenga, there's not one that's a little bit taller than the next one, which will kind of mess it up and be unfair, right? We want these dead perfect, so we're using the jointer plane. Okay, so now we've got one perfect 90-degree edge. We've got one side and 2 sides perfectly flat. We're going to bring them over to the table saw. We want the Jenga dance floor to be 9 by 9, right? And these start off, like the square that we're going to be dealing with. So we want it 9 by 9. There's 3 pieces on each side. So we have 2x4's that are 3.5, which we've planed down. We're going to cut them down to 3 each, which means we got to go 9 wide. And so we're going to also be 9 deep. So what we're going to do now, these are like 3 1/4. We're going to trim them down to just over 3. Then we're going to take them to the planer and we'll plane them down so that they're all exactly 3 inches thick. Then we'll plane the top so they're all uniform. Then we come into pieces and we're done. We'll play a game, right? Okay, so the reason we did all that joining and planing was that we wanted these all to be perfect and equal, perfect in height, perfect in distance, because when we play Jenga, we don't want one that's a bit bigger or more warped. So we planed them, we joined them, we cut them, and we squared them all up. So now when we play Jenga, we can't say that somebody's cheating, right? Because they're all equidistant. You see that? They're nice and square and beautiful. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we've got all our Jenga blocks done, and the last thing we do is
quality control.
Quality control. And to do quality control, we do what?
Jenga.
We play Jenga. So we're going to play Jenga.